So after pressing Start or Touch ID, you'll want to hold down Command and R at the same time. So for older Macs, you want to hold this down through the entire process of it loading up. But for newer Macs, which this works just as well on, you don't have to hold it down the whole time. You can just let go once it progresses a little bit. Then that will take us to the macOS Utilities page where we'll select Disk, Utility, and then from there, that's going to bring us to this page here where we see OS X Base System, and we'll want to select the Macintosh HD drive in the upper left-hand corner, and then select Erase underneath the Disk Utility text, and then select Erase once more. And then once it's finished, go ahead and press Done. And then once you press Done, as I enlarge the screen here, just X out of that, and then we'll go into Reinstall Mac OS. So I'm just going to select that, and that's going to bring us to the current version that you were running on your laptop. So this is a little bit of an older version, as you can see, but it works just the same for newer Macs. And then I'm going to select the Macintosh HD drive, and then this is going to take a little while depending on your internet connection and the speed of your computer. But once it's done, you'll select your language, and I'm just going to select United States and then US for the keyboard, and then I'll enter my Wi-Fi off screen here and then select Continue for data and privacy. I'm going to choose not to transfer anything here because I'm actually going to sell the computer, so I'll hit Continue and then enter my Apple ID. And you can enter your info in here without worrying about somebody getting it once you sell your computer. Just make sure that you're logged out of iCloud and the App Store before you sell it. So following the Apple ID, I'm just going to agree to the terms and conditions. And for the account, I'll just set up something temporary for now. And I'm going to skip through the iCloud settings, but you can set up your preferences. But since I'm selling it, I don't want any files stored in iCloud. And then I'll just select Continue for the FileVault. And then it's going to set up the Mac, as you can see here. And once it's done, it's going to bring you back to the home page of your computer. So that does it. I want to thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.